including a 4-speed manual and a heavy-duty close-ratio 4-speed gearbox. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 was a dominant force on the road courses of America and Canada. Competing in the Sports Car Club of America's Trans Am Series, the car's success on the track was thanks in part to its advanced features, including a cross-ram intake, manifold, and a pair of Holley 600 CFM double pumpers. The cross-ram system provided a significant boost in power, making it a formidable competitor in the Trans Am Series. The Z28's racing heritage and performance capabilities made it a favorite among enthusiasts and collectors. Get ready to experience the ultimate driving machine. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This iconic muscle car was a game-changer in the world of American automotive history. Known for its powerful engine, agile handling, and distinctive styling, the Z28 was a high-performance variant of the Camaro, powered by a 302 cubic-inch V8 engine that produced 290 horsepower and 290 pounds-ft of torque. The Z28's impact on the industry was significant, as it helped to establish the Camaro as a major player in the muscle car market. The car's success on the track and on the street helped to boost sales, with over 20,000 units sold in the 1969 model year. The Z legacy continues to be celebrated by car enthusiasts and collectors today, with many considering it one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 was a well-balanced street performance car. Rather than an uncivilized brute, it featured a range of innovative technologies, including a heavy-duty suspension system, power-assisted brakes, and distinctive styling cues. The car's interior was trimmed in premium materials, including vinyl seats and a sporty dashboard. The Z28's design was notable for its aggressive lines, with a distinctive front grille and a range of stylish trim options. The Z28's story is one of performance, innovation, and competition, and it continues to inspire enthusiasts. Testament to the innovation and creativity of Chevrolet's designers and engineers. The Z28's place in history is secure, and it will always be remembered as one of the greatest muscle cars of all time. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and distinctive styling, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a true classic that will continue to be celebrated for years to come.